Get class for getting a class and get superclass for getting a superclass. We know that this class of character student and class student have a superclass wizard. Student extends a wizard class. Student is a subclass, wizard is a superclass. And let's use a superclass from this object. And we can see the next result. Get superclass. Not from object, get superclass from instance, from a class instance. Get superclass. And we can see the superclass of class student. We can see that this package name and class wizard is a superclass for class student. This is methods for get class, and this is method for get superclass. Super is a reserved word, var superclass, and we can see each time class 2. Okay. In classes we have access modifiers. For example, for student class, access modifier is public. Also, it has fields with access modifiers. For getting access modifiers, we can use the method from modifier class. There is a modifier class from package java.lang.reflect package. From this package, method, class modifier, constructor modifier, field modifiers, interface modifiers, and is abstract boolean. True is abstract, no, false is not abstract. Is final, is native, is private, is protected, and etc. So we can invoke method get modifiers and get the modifiers from this class. For example, instance class, method get, we can get superclass, get class, get name, get annotation, get canonical name, get classes, component type, declare type, have a lot of methods, get fields, for example, house fields, interface, methods, modifiers, get modifiers. And let's capture its value in string modifiers, like this. We can see that it's provided by default so int value. We must use a string value of. All method to string from modifier class. Modifier class dot to string, and use this invoke. Let's print modifiers. We'll see the results of this line of code. Public. We can see that this class student has a public access modifier. Okay. Also, we can see that class can have constructors, at least one constructor, declared constructor. Let's create 4 constructors. Constructor from package java.lang.reflect. So if the class have more than one constructor, it must be array for constructors. Array constructors. We needed to specify the class and invoke method get declared constructors. That's all. And here will every constructor. Let's print its value. For we will for constructor element from this array of constructors, where we'll print every constructor. Run our program, and we can see the one constructor, one declared constructor with public access modifier, which take two parameters, string and string. Let's check it. We can see the public declared constructor, which take two parameters of type string for name and for Hogwarts house. Okay, that's right. And the same way we can get the declared methods. For this, we create method array from java.lang.reflect package, and its name will be methods, and we invoke get declared methods, and just print each method from methods. Let's run our program again. And we can see the next result. This is declared constructor, and this is declared methods. Methods get house, method introduce yourself, method set house, getter and setter for house fields, and the introduce yourself method. Let's check it. So we can see that getter for house, setter for house, and method introduce yourself. That's right. Also, we can get the more detailed information from here, something like get name, get default value, exception types if they exist, return type. So we can see the return type, into the element itself. Run our program again, and we can see the next result. So this is the method itself, and return type void. Introduce get house, its return type string. Method set house is return type void. We can see that method get house, its return type string. Set house with return type void, and introduce yourself with a void return type. And declared fields. Class can have constructors, methods, and fields. In the fields array, from package java.lang.reflect fields or field list, we just specify the instance, Hermione get class instance, and get declared fields. So let's print for field element from field list, and just print each field in the console. House. House is one field because a student class has only one field, house. Okay. Thus, we saw that using the reflection package, java.lang.reflection package, a class can receive information about itself. Good job, and see you in the next lesson.